Hey guys, it's the crypto reviewer. Back at you with another video. Okay, just dropped my daughter off to school. But I wanted to talk to you guys today about swing trading versus day trading. When you trade at a slower pace, you won't have to rack your brain trying to figure out which direction it's going to go, because ultimately when you trade on the higher time frames, they hold a lot of weight. Okay, they are more accurate than the lower time frames, of course. I've been through this journey, and it's been about a 2-year journey. I have put my reps in, just like with anything, like working out, just with anything. I put the time and I put the hours in, and I'll just come to the conclusion that day trading is just not my thing. Swing trading is more of, I have a clearer brain with swing trading. I don't have to think as much. I don't have to rack my brain, because ultimately I know which direction the market is going. Okay, now I am not speaking of forex, stocks. The only thing I trade is crypto. I don't have any knowledge of forex. Even though I've learned to trade from forex videos, I've applied everything to crypto trading. I mean, a market is a market, a chart is a chart. I've applied price action, market structure, certain patterns to the chart. So it's much more quieter. It's much more easier to swing trade. Ultimately, like I said, if you know which direction the market is going, like if crypto has a 4-year cycle, then you know that the market is ultimately trending upwards. Okay, so I just look for certain entry points, double bottoms, when it comes down for demand levels, certain things. If I know that it's building some type of structure or like a floor, and it's not breaking past that support level, then I already know that it's potential for the market to go up. Now it does give you an edge, and it does a higher percentage, a higher percent rate to me, because you get stopped out. But if you're trading on a daily time, how many times are you going to get stopped out? And when you do get stopped out, you just enter right back in, when you see that the entry is right. You see that it may have just liquidated you and then made a nice rejection candle. Okay, and then after that rejection candle, you see about 2 or 3 green nice bars. Okay, and then that's when you enter. So that's just something that you want to look at. So ultimately which direction that the market is going to. You follow Bitcoin. You follow Bitcoin, see which direction the market is moving. Okay, you may get stopped out, but you get stopped out 2 or 3 times, but you have a 1 to 5 ratio, or 5 to 1 ratio. Come on now, sometimes I caught a 16 to 1 the other day. Just the risk to reward ratio is just is crazy. These are the possibilities. Like I said, you don't have to be on the charts as long. It's like if you can just put your mind to it, put your reps in. I've done that on a 5-minute chart. It would be days that I'm like just winning. I had a lot of green days. So and then after that, it's just like a lot of red days. When I'm swing trading, it's just much more easier. I have a higher percentage rate. I know what to do more. I don't have to really think on my feet as much. I don't really have to think on my feet as much. Things are basically just set in stone. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I'm in the middle of traffic, on the highway. So I do excuse that. And if you're wondering why, I have 2 hoodies on and a face mask. It is 8 degrees outside, so I just wanted to bundle up as much as I can so I cannot feel the pinching cold. So yeah. So I just wanted to talk to you about that. Just want to let you know, guys, to just keep going. Life gets hard, but all in all, you have to keep investing. And they don't tell you, they don't listen. I know things are supposed to be motivating, but sometimes you have to reveal the losses as well. Okay, you have to reveal the losses as well. I have been putting in to crypto, and sometimes my account went down. Actually, it went down. So they say don't check it every day and things of that nature. But I had, I just put 2K in there, and I believe this was over the course of I want to say a month and a half, 2 months. Actually, I put more than 2K in there, and now my account. No, actually, yeah, it was 2K, and I'm down to $1,200 or $1,100, which is like, what the fuck is going on? Was just investing blindly, which I won't do anymore. I will not invest blindly anymore. Okay, I will look at these charts and I will see what a good entry point is. I have learned my lesson. I will not do that again. So when my income comes in, I will check the charts and I will see which coins to get into. They say DCA, dollar cost average, but I haven't been having much success with that. You want to invest in certain coins or tokens when they're at the bottom. Okay, like I've just been investing blindly, like, okay, they're just gonna go up over time. No, I'm not subscribing to that anymore, because for my account to take a $800 to $900 hit, okay, and I'm just investing and thinking I'm doing the right thing. You want your account to grow, okay? I don't care, where you got in at, and you want your account to grow, all right? So, I'm about to head in here, and I'll talk to you guys later. All right, so what we have here, guys, this is PEPE. Like I said, that I like to day trade, or not day trade, but I like to trade, period. On the daily time frame. I like when it's swing trades, because it's more of it's like when you're on the bottom, it's a lot of noise, but when you're on the top, as you get higher in time frames, it's like quieter, and it's much more peace. You don't have to, rack your brain, every second. And, essentially, I don't do Forex markets. I don't do stocks. I only trade strictly crypto, simply because I understand it better. Okay. Now we already know that the halving already took place, and that you understand the cycles with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has a 4-year cycle, right? So you know that after the halving, 6 months down the line, that's when the bull market starts. And the bull market, like I said, happens every 4 years. It is now 2025. You should have been accumulating, I would say. Now we're going to use the cross of the dotted line as a reference point. You should have been accumulating all the way down here. Okay. Essentially, you know where the market's going. Okay, so you basically want to look for the most effective entry points, so to speak. Again, using the dotted line and the cross of the dotted line as a reference point. So you see right here, it's like it's kind of creating a little floor. All right, we are going to use this as a support level, and we're looking to achieve a double bottom right over here. Okay, so if we go down more in depth on the 4-hour time frame, we can actually see what it's doing. All right, so it really kind of rejected this area right here. Let's see. All right, so we want to get it there. Okay, it might come down just a little bit more, just to come and touch and kiss that support level, so that we can achieve a double bottom. Okay, so I know that Bitcoin, we can go back and look at Bitcoin more as a reference point, was just selling off just a bit. We did touch the 101 levels after hitting the ATH about a couple days ago. All right, so it looked like it's climbing back up just a bit, but it might sell off just a bit, because I correspond the patterns, right? So it may hit this support level right here. I'm talking about PEPE, right? So once it kisses that support level, and you see that rejection bar, the reaction is everything. Okay, so when you see that rejection bar, okay, then that's when that's a good sign. So you want to see a rejection bar. You want to see about 2-3 candles, 2 green strong candles. All right, 2 or 3 strong green candles. Then that's when you want to enter. Okay, that's a very, very good entry point. Now, it doesn't always have to kiss that support level, but it's just way more confirmation, when it kisses it, reacts, rejects, and then you see the strong bullish candles. That is a sign of an entry. Okay, now it looks like it should be heading down just a little bit more. Okay, and once it does that, that's when you should enter. Okay, and I've already talked about this in previous videos, where I just blindly just invested, and it actually took my account down drastically. So that's something that I will not do again. I will study these charts. I have been in the markets for about 2 years now, and I have put my reps in. All right, and I do have a nice, I would say, I'm nowhere near an expert. Okay, probably intermediate, but I would say that I have a sense of where the market is heading. I have a sense of where to get in and where not to get in. Okay, and I've learned a lot of patterns. Okay, so this is the Crypto Reviewer. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.